Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll show you how to use ElevenLabs plus Zapier to create automated workflows with AI-generated voices. By the end, you'll be able to set up a workflow that takes text from one app and turns it into natural-sounding speech automatically. Let's dive in. First, quick overview. ElevenLabs is a text-to-speech platform. You can type text, and it generates ultra-realistic AI voices. Zapier is an automation tool. Connects thousands of apps together so you don't need to code. When we combine them, we can automatically generate speech from things like Google Docs, Notion Notes, or even emails. First, log in to ElevenLabs. Go to your profile and look for the API key section. Copy the key. We'll use this in Zapier. This key basically lets Zapier talk to ElevenLabs. Now head over to Zapier and click Create Zap. Choose your trigger app. This is where the text will come from. For example, you could use Google Docs, Notion, or even an email. So whenever new text appears there, Zapier will trigger the workflow. Next, add ElevenLabs as the action. Paste in your API key, then choose which voice you want. You'll also need to map the text field from your trigger app, so Zapier knows what to send to ElevenLabs. Once that's set, every time the trigger fires, ElevenLabs will generate an audio file automatically. And that's it. You've just built a complete automation that connects ElevenLabs and Zapier. From now on, you don't need to copy and paste text into a voice tool. It all happens automatically. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up so more people can find it. And if you want to see more simple automation and AI tutorials, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I post new videos every week. Also, let me know in the comments what kind of workflows you'd like me to cover next. Maybe connecting ElevenLabs with Notion or building a podcast workflow. I'd love to hear your ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.